Ignorant trading, and I'm going to go through setting up a Webull account. So I actually had one of the members send me over a referral link so we could both get paid. And if I take this link here, it's going to help me set up an account. So first it's going to ask for my phone number and then a password. I'm going to have it send me a code to my phone. Then we're going to go ahead and sign up. All right, so it's going to tell me to download the app. And of course, I'm going to need to do this on my phone. Oh, looks like I can also do it for my Mac as well. So while I have this download, I'll also do it on my phone. In fact, I'd say I mostly do a lot of my Robinhood trading on my phone. But just so you guys can see it, if we set up from the web version, I'm going to go ahead and set it up. I'm a seasoned veteran in the game. Okay. This was a fairly seamless setup process. It would seem to me that they would need to verify my identity before we really get this thing started. Just like how we did with interactive brokers. Yep. And that's exactly what we need to do. Oh, okay, so I got to go through this whole verification process of adding my driver's license. All right, so we took care of the driver's license. They want me to enter my name. Some more sensitive information. ID number. Yeah, I don't know what they mean by ID number, but I just skipped that for now. I don't see any sort of star. I'm sure they'll let me know if I need to do anything about that. So for now, we'll just go ahead and try to put in the verification code that they'll have sent me. They want me to put in my address. Okay, they want to know where my job is located. Oh, they're saying, how long do I plan on investing? Well, long term, yeah, I plan to invest as long as I'm going. Just some stuff that they got to ask, make sure I'm not insider trading or anything like that. Okay. And this is the choice that we get with a margin account versus a cash account. So looks like these are the features of the margin account. Like Robinhood, I suspect that they have to operate under FINRA regulations and only allow you 3-day trades a week if you have under 25,000 in your account. So I think it's best to start with a cash account. And of course, I want to enable options because that's what I'm going to be trading most. Yes, I definitely have over 5 years now of options experience. Might as well apply for crypto trading. We've got all our disclosures and securities trading, our agreements, and we will click to sign the signature. This is difficult to do with my left hand. Actually, this is really good. Might have discovered my new talent here. Cool. So looks like my new account will be approved within 1 to 2 business days. And I will be depositing money when it is available. Sweet. That's how we set up our Webull account. And as you can see here, here's the download for how things are going to look like on our computer. The mobile app is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to explore that a bit. However, this is pretty cool. They have just some basic indicators that we can pull up along with our charts. And this is the setup that I see often on Yahoo Finance for options. So this is going to take some getting used to. It's definitely more complex than Robinhood, I can tell you that. They have take profit and stop loss features, which is going to be a nice functionality considering in Robinhood, if we make a stop loss, we can't sell out in profit until we take out that stop loss, or vice versa. If we make a target profit, then we can't put in a stop loss right now in Robinhood. So that's a really nice feature. I will let you guys know how this compares to Robinhood. You guys know how I like to do. I like to simplify things, make it easy to understand, and just cut out the nonsense. So yeah, look forward to future videos. All right. So this is just going to show how things are looking on Webull. I did take that referral amount, and so we can see that I'll be able to get some of these shares within this time frame. And this is pretty cool. It looks like I can just deposit any amount. Well, I've already submitted the application, but this is just a look at the mobile app. Got our little terms of service here. Okay, cool. They got a little social element of this so you can see what people are saying. Huh, I like the charts. This platform definitely has a lot more information at the fingertips. Now, I can make things a lot more complex, but of course, with experienced veteran traders, this is much appreciated. So we'll see what sort of functionality I get when the account opens. But for now, this is the way things are. So we got 10 of my shares pending from my deposit that's being made, but we can already see that I'm going to be able to claim 2. So with that being said, let's see what we got. Well, of course I want the, it's not going to let me select. Okay. All right. And let's see the other one. Of course I get the worthless ones. All right. But free money is free money, right? So that's the 10 free that we're talking about right there.